It's only been a few days since I washed it last, and it's already got all this, I don't know what it is, leaves and flowers and I don't know, whatever, coming off the trees above me. This is crazy, so I've got to get that sorted, and I've got these few rust spots I need to sort out this week, saving up some money, so I'm gonna do some cheaper jobs. This is one of the cheaper ones, I think. Just gotta, these are pretty bad. Someone's already had a go at this, you know, see a badass masking job and whatnot, but yeah, gotta get into that corner. It's right in the corner, so pain in the ass, but they always rust out there. And there's another one at the back here. Might have to pull this weather stripping out and have a look too, because yeah. And then yeah, so I got that spot. And then there's just the spot back tail light, so this one's pretty bad. It's literally got a hole in it, so yeah, that'll be a fun one. The other issue I'm running into at the moment, I'm waiting on some bearings that they've taken like a month now to get here, and I just saw that they've been delivered to the wrong address, so that's a bit of a pain. I'm sitting in Auckland and I'm in Hamilton, so it's not even close. Don't know how that happened, but yeah, once those get here, I'll be able to put the motor together. Well, yeah, assemble everything, and pretty much that's the only thing I'm really waiting on apart from paint. So yeah, it'll probably be all done in a couple of weeks, I guess, hopefully. But yeah, so we'll have some more content up soon. But yeah, we'll get into this rust anyway. Yeah, pulled the tail light out and check out that. It's a big wasp nest, I think. It's not that big, but it's abandoned. Pretty crazy. Going around with wasps. Yeah, here's the rust here, but it does look pretty bad. I'm probably gonna have to chop out, I don't know, this whole section here. Well, I don't know. We'll see. It's still right, that lip there, so maybe I'll just be able to chop this out or something. We'll see. Yeah, she's a bit rusted out, I can tell you that. So that's as far as I think I'm gonna go. I've got most of the rust off it. Like, it really needs a cutout, to be honest, but yeah. I painted this up just to stop it rusting over the week. I'm gonna use some CAD, some cardboard design, and I'm gonna cut out a little piece, or maybe come down here, I'm not too sure. I'll see what I can do. as you've seen, I just I cut out some pieces of metal and I just tacked them all in. Doesn't look the prettiest, but grind it down and fill her up a little bit more, and then it'll be good. I just don't want to get it too hot, and as soon as you start going, this shit just burns through anyway. So yeah, we'll grind it down and maybe fill it up a bit more, and we'll go from there. That side's looking mint now, so yeah, gotta follow that line, so it's pretty tricky, but yeah, first time doing it, so I think it's not too bad. I'll see you in a sec. And it's raining again. Bloody hell. Oh, we'll get back to it soon. Oh, she's not raining. Well, she's actually just starting to spit again, but I managed to get a layer of bog on there for the meantime, but should be good. Good to sand back when it dries, you know, and fixed up another little dent on the guard there, little rock chip, but yeah, looking mint. Hopefully we're looking like this side. It stopped raining, and yeah, I found this big hole here. Well, grind it back, and it ended up being just a bit of whole heap of rust. This whole thing was all pinned out, so I cut that out, and I'm just gonna weld a piece of sheet in there. Up here wasn't too bad, there was only a couple little pinholes, so I just tacked it, well, filled them up with some MIG, some good old welder, and then at the back here it's looking a lot better. Just got to sand it down. It's all dry now, so should be able to, well, once I get that done, once I get this done, I guess that'll be all of the rust, so I'll be stoked. Oh, as you saw, I got that all welded. Looks alright. So I just got it tacked up and just gonna bog it. Just got it roughly grinded down for now. Yeah, you got that one sorted, and yeah, I'll just bog it now, and you know, I have to sand them all down, they'll look all mint. It's my 2000 EG Civic 4-door. It's got the D15B in it. It's only the non-VTEC version though, so probably gonna chuck a turbo kit on this as soon as when I get my other car running. But yeah, all packed away for the day, so be able to sand those down in the next couple of days. But yeah, I've got my main bearings coming, so main bearings and rod bearings, so they should be here on Monday, and then be able to chuck the motor together. But yeah, so that'll be some good content. But yeah, if you want to follow along with the build, then yeah, go like, subscribe and comment. Cheers, see you in the next one. First start.
What was it? Something right up the back. Oh, is that oil?
Yeah, there's oil